In this Hanon tutorial, we'll be doing the relative minor of F major. And as we can remember from the F major scale from the previous tutorial, we know that we have one accidental, B flat. But for the harmonic mode, the one we'll be doing today, we need to remember that we're also going to raise the seventh. So not only are we going to play the B flat, but we're also going to play the C sharp. If we have a look at, and separately first, one octave, starting on D, 1, 2, standard fingering, 3, 1, 2, B flat, and C sharp. So a nice big jump there, ending on the fifth. So between the fourth and third fingers in the right, we'll be having those accidentals. For the left hand, starting on D, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third finger over to B flat, stretching over to C sharp, second. When we come back down, climbing down with the thumb underneath. Playing these hands together. This one you'll find sits nicely underneath the fingers. It might just be a little bit confusing with the going under the thumb, climbing off of that B flat onto BA. For 2 octaves, we'll be copying those fingers, remembering just to reset our hand position for octave 2 with both thumbs on D. Let's give it a go. Both thumbs on D for over left. Both thumbs on D for over right, C sharp. Let's give that one more go. For the full Hanon exercise, we need to remember we'll be playing this twice and 4 octaves. Let's give that a go. Starting nice and low. Now, after this, the cadence follows. So for the cadence, once we got down to D's, we're going to go all the way up to G, and we're going to be on E, B, and D for the right hand, but careful, not B, but B flat, because of that accidental, that key signature. Then from there, we're going to go to A, 1, 2, and 5, F, A, and D. From there, now we're going to play the C sharp, the A, the G, and the E, and an octave lower in the left. And finally, we'll be ending with D, F, A, and D, like so. Up to G, remembering we're going to play E, B flat, and D. Now, the big move down, and finally, we'll be ending with the root chord. And that is the D Harmonic Minor Scale, the relative of F major, the harmonic mode. Again, if you like this video, please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, check the bell for any future videos. Thanks for watching.